Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the speaker model and making sure it has charge. This matters because factory defaults vary. Once the cable is connected, press and hold the power button until the indicator lights. That tells you the unit is alive. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and the audio app is ready so pairing is immediate. If the speaker has an aux input, get a 3.5 mm cable handy as a direct fallback. Next, you initiate pairing by pressing the speaker's Bluetooth or Connect button. Hold it until the light flashes rapidly. That indicates discoverable mode. Then, on your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings, locate the Bose device name, and tap to connect. You'll hear a tone or see a steady light once paired. If your speaker supports NFC, tap the devices together to pair instantly, and if pairing keeps failing, switch to a. To finish, set volume levels on both the speaker and your source. Start low and increase to avoid clipping, and test playback with a short track. If the speaker won't respond or won't enter pairing mode, perform a factory reset by powering off, then holding power and Bluetooth/connect together until a reset tone or light sequence occurs. Make sure to check firmware via the Bose app on another device when possible. This often resolves stubborn connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.